2025 has officially passed. Did you actually reach your goals last year? Or are you struggling to change your life all over again?
Stop waiting for 2026 to just be better. Hope isn't a strategy, but this is. Most people fail their resolutions by February because they don't have a system. I built the 1% daily growth engine to fix that. It's not just a calendar, it's a sleep tracker, a mood chart, and a goal setter all in one. It helps you to track your wins, identify problems, and actually visualize your progress. Start your 1% journey today. Grab the full 2026 habit tracker at the link in my bio.